Hello iPhone users, if you need a website icon on your phone like other apps, I'm going to tell you how you do that. So open a Safari or and any tab of yours which you are usually looking up to every day or whenever, and you want it on your screen. So what you want to do is you open that tab, you tap on the three dots, you tap on share, and you scroll it down and you tap on view more, where you get options, and you have to tap on add to home screen. Right, once you do that, this same will come on home screen. You can change the name, of course, and you can see if you want it to be open as web page or not. And see, this is the game zone. I tap on it, and directly, without googling it or something like that, you get this tab on your screen directly. Right, this is an interesting feature and definitely a useful one, so you can get used to it while as a Safari searcher. That's how we do it. See you in the next video, where you get to know many more features of iPhone from me. Ta-da!